show you how it's done. Let's do this. Let's build a wall. Okay, so I used this and I made some room over here, and I'm using some pennies for spacers. Okay, I keep it above the floor. Let's do that. Now it's nice and tight over there, and that's the space down here that I want my board off the ground. The first shot, here we go. Also, keep in mind, we have an outlet right here.
Dawn, I wake up to find her gone, and a note says only after